Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to the Genos Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. Now this week we're doing a great song, Poinciana. And I play this like a tango because I played Poinciana as the tango when I played in the skating rink. So I'm going to tango it up a little bit and teach you how to play a tango. For you guys that have gotten my emails out there, I am getting my computer straightened out and actually have to build an entire new website. Hope to have it done by Sunday so everything will be up to date. You're also going to notice on my Genos Tyros video lessons page that now all of the Tyros videos have a black icon and all of the Genos have a red icon. Now while all of my videos are on YouTube, go to my video lessons page to find the video that you need. It is so easy on my page and you can keep up with all the latest stuff. So let's take a look at Poinciana. Okay, so for you guys that have my book bundles, this one is bundle 2 and we're in bank 9. This is registration 7. Now, you're going to be using the Pop Latin Ballad if you guys are not in my book bundle club. That's the style you want to go to, and that's tempo 108. Of course, you guys in my book bundles, I'll be emailing you this user style so you can just load it in your Genos. Once again, in my Play Chords Like a Pro, you see that for the C major 7, the G is red. Remember, the ones that are in red, you hold down to get to the next chord. And this is going to really teach you how to play chords. So let's take a look now at the settings I'm using for Poinciana. Okay, so you can see here I'm on registration 7. And of course, when I edited the style, I renamed it Poinciana. So I'll be emailing you the user style for any of you who have this book bundle out there. And we're using on OTS1, we're using a concert guitar, and that volume is at 127 on rate 1. On OTS2, I'm using Keynote Strings Warm VC, and that's rate 1, volume 100. On OTS3, a simple CFX Cocktail Grand, volume 100, and here comes the big one. OTS4, I'm using a Super Musette. Now that's going to be at 83. I'm using a soft trumpet at 127 and a ballad brass at 104. Now we will be using the harmony arpeggiator button, and we're going to reach up and turn that on. That'll be on the music for you like everything is on the music, so you'll know when to reach up and touch that. Okay, so we are going to turn the harmony arpeggiator button on at some point during the song. You'll see me do that, and I think you're going to like the mixture of sounds here, and especially playing this like a tango. So let's get started and listen to Poinciana. Okay, a little tango style Poinciana, and as you can see, these chords are pretty easy. You're at C major 7 here. Turn this volume down just a little bit. So you're at C major 7, 2, G minor 7, 2, C7. Hold the finger down there. Grab your F minor 7, back to your C major 7, to your G7. So you can see the chords in there are pretty simple to do if you hold those fingers down. Now in the right hand, we'll take a little bit closer look at that for you so you can see some fingering, okay? Attention to the fingering here. And then back to the beginning, right? So I'm definitely throwing some extra notes in there. A little bit of practice will make you sound great on there. Remember, that's how you get the super articulation. So it's really a lot of fun playing on the Genos, isn't it? Okay, so I hope you had fun with that song, and you're going to have fun with it. What makes the Genos so great, and the Tyros of course, is the styles are doing most of the work, right? So if you can play chords like a pro on the system that I'm giving you on this music every week, that is definitely worth the book bundle price. Once you can play the chords very easily, you can have a lot of fun with your right hand, and that's the goal. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, happy Labor Day for all of you here in the U.S., and see you next week.
There you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs.